Hello traveler, did you know that it's possible to stay just steps from Disney Springs and still get extra benefits at the parks, without paying the price of Disney's luxury hotels? Today we're going to check out the Holiday Inn Orlando Disney Springs. Let's find out why this hotel is one of the best kept secrets for those seeking convenience and comfort in Orlando. And to check the updated daily rates, I've left the link in the video description and also in the QR code that appears on your screen. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more travel tips. The location is the highlight here. The hotel is located on Hotel Plaza Boulevard, which means you're a short walk from Disney Springs. Imagine ending your day at the parks and being able to go to dinner or stroll through the Disney Entertainment Complex on foot, without depending on a car or bus. It's a convenience that few hotels offer. Even though it's an IHG hotel, it's an official Disney Springs area hotel. This guarantees guests incredible benefits, such as early theme park entry, which allows entry to Disney parks 30 minutes before the general public. In addition, the hotel offers free transportation at scheduled times to the 4 Disney theme parks. The rooms are modern and have undergone recent renovations. They have the kind of amenities Brazilians love: a mini fridge, microwave, and coffee maker in the room, which greatly helps save money on the trip. Golden tip: ask for a room on a high floor overlooking Disney Springs. On many nights, you can see the fireworks at EPCOT or Magic Kingdom directly from your balcony. The leisure area features a resort-style pool, a hot tub, and a children's area. For those who don't want to give up their routine, the gym is very well equipped. In the lobby, you'll find the grab-and-go for quick snacks and a restaurant serving classic American breakfast. And an advantage for families: children up to 11 years old eat for free at the hotel restaurant when accompanied by a paying adult. The Holiday Inn Disney Springs area offers a perfect balance of price, location, and Disney benefits. If you want to be in the heart of the magic, but with the comfort standards of an international chain, this is the choice. The link to book with the best prices is below. Have you ever thought about walking to Disney Springs? Comment below what you thought of this tip and subscribe for more reviews.